So question given is a car is traveling on a straight road. The maximum velocity the car can attain is 24 meters per second. The maximum acceleration and deceleration it can attain are 1 meter per second square and 4 meter per second square respectively. The shortest time the car takes from rest to rest in a distance of 200 meters is. First let us check whether the car can attain its maximum velocity or not. Starting from rest, let us assume it has reached its maximum velocity, which is 24 meters per second. Acceleration is 1 and the velocity is 24. The time taken to reach its maximum velocity will be 24 seconds. So the distance traveled in this 24 seconds will be ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 0. So this will be half into acceleration 1 into 24 square, which is 576 upon 2, which will be greater than 200 meters. So we can say that the car is not going to attain its maximum velocity. Now let us consider the velocity versus time graph of this body. It is starting from rest. Now let us assume it is going to accelerate up to time t. Acceleration is given as 1 meter per second square. So we can say that at time t its velocity will be also equals to t. And after that it started to decelerate. Deceleration rate is given as 4 meter per second, means acceleration will be minus 4 meter per second square. The time taken for acceleration will be 4 times the time taken for deceleration. As deceleration is 4 times, time will be 1 by 4th here. So time from maximum velocity to rest will be t by 4 seconds. So here the time will be t plus t by 4, which will be 5t by 4. Now we already know that the area of velocity versus time graph is nothing but displacement. Here we already know the displacement of the body, which is 200 meters per second. So here we are taking area of velocity versus time graph will be our displacement. As it is moving in straight line, distance and displacements will be same. So here area will be half into base into height. Base is 5t by 4 into height is t. Displacement which is 200. This we can cancel out 40 times. So here t square will be is equals to square root of 320. Sorry, t will be is equals to square root of 320. Now we want the shortest time. Total time of travel here is 5t by 4. So here we can say time of journey, which is 5t by 4. Substitute the value of t here. This will be 5 by 4 into square root of 320, which will be approximately equal to 22.4 seconds, which is option A.